Hello there. Have you ever wondered what would change in your life if you could wake up just a little earlier each day? You'd have more quiet moments just for yourself, to sip your morning coffee in peace, to reflect on your day ahead, to stretch, move, and breathe before the world even opens its eyes, to watch the first rays of sunlight touch your face like a secret gift meant only for those who rise early. Waking up early is not just about time. It's a way of living, a conscious choice to start your day with clarity and intention. And today, I want to share with you 10 simple yet powerful ways to help you wake up earlier every morning, gently, effortlessly, and with joy. 1. Go to bed on time and get enough sleep. Don't try to wake up early if you've only had 3-4 hours of rest. Your body needs love, not punishment. When you sleep well, you rise with energy. No alarms needed. 2. Turn off your phone at least 30 minutes before bed. Instead of scrolling endlessly through social media, read a page of a book or write down a few things you're grateful for. Let your mind quiet down and your sleep will be deeper. 3. Place your alarm far away from your bed. This small trick forces you to get up to turn it off. And once you're on your feet, that's already a victory. 4. Give yourself a reason to wake up. A favorite morning drink, a soft playlist, a few minutes to write in your journal. Let each morning be something you look forward to, not something you dread. 5. Plan your morning the night before. Write down just 3 small tasks. For example, wake up, drink water, stretch. When you wake up, you won't need to think. Just follow your gentle guide. 6. Let the sunlight in. If you can, allow natural light to enter your room in the morning. That soft morning glow sends a silent message to your body. Good morning, it's time to rise. 7. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Just one glass can awaken your body like a gentle touch from life itself. Your body will understand. The day has begun. 8. Avoid eating too late or too much at night. A light dinner, a few hours before sleep, helps your body rest deeply. And when the morning comes, you'll feel lighter, not groggy. 9. Move your body in the morning. You don't need a full workout. A few stretches, some deep breathing, or a short walk is enough to stir your energy and greet the day with strength. 10. Be consistent. For at least 21 days. Every habit takes time to build. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. right away. Just start with 10 minutes earlier. A little progress each day leads to big change. You see, waking up early isn't about being overly disciplined. It's a gift you give yourself, a quiet space before the world begins. When you rise before the rush, you hear your own thoughts more clearly. You breathe more deeply. You feel more alive. So start tomorrow. Wake up just 10 minutes earlier. That's all. But wake up, because you deserve a day that begins with peace, not pressure. Thank you for listening. I wish you a beautiful morning and a brighter life, starting with the very first light of today.